Hey everyone, I made it into a new Walmart. So right here we have a snowman on a sleigh. It will say Joy for $8.88. And I'm pretty sure they might have a Santa. Let me pull this one. Yep, Santa, and it's gonna be Noel. Snowman, $5.88. Then here's your Santa. This one's larger. Really cute. I like how it's ho 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 right there on the rim of his hat for $9.88, and you have Let It Snow. These are actually quite nice. I am loving it. Welcome on the Santa, $5.88. Come Let Us Adore Him. These are nice too for $7.88. Glory to the Newborn King. This one's gonna be $14.88. Actually, my goodness, you know what? Let me see. Yes, $7.88. Their prices are always wrong in here. $7.88 for this one as well. They just have it under different prices. And the cross with the angel rings are going to be $7.88 as well. $6.98. Oh, you know what? I'm not sure if I'm feeling this look because around the wreath it looks like it's wet, or it looks like something dripped on it, right? Yeah. From far away. Or maybe it had something glued, but all of them are like that.
Yeah, it looks like they lost. Like they were supposed to glue like an actual wreath or something to it.
Yeah. They're all like that. So, I feel like that should be a discount. Happy holidays. These little tin ornaments. Here's the front. These are $4.98, and here's the back. We have Joy, the green. There might be one more. Oh, nope. These are kind of cute too, and add on to a gift bag. Believe. These are $2.48. Enjoy. I feel like maybe you could DIY this, but I mean it is $2.48, so it might cost you a little more to DIY. But I feel like you could go to like Home Depot or Lowe's and get the paneling, you know, like maybe a sample and paint it. Yeah. And the snowflakes. I'm always in love with the galvanized snowflakes. The little metal decor, $3.98. Also comes in red. And Be Merry. I know a lot of people don't like the red truck, but I kind of do like this. And normally I'm not about this. I don't know, something about this one. I like it. $6.98. Tabletop decor, side table, that is $7. And check these ornaments out. They're $2.98. How cool is that? Like a little sweater ornament. Then we have Merry Christmas on top. Little hanging decor for $4.98. I like that. I like that little handle. And $7.98. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. These are kind of cool. The gray ones for $12.98. And of course the little small red one is going to be $10. Let me check for you. Yeah, $10. $9.98. Ooh, so nice, right? So for the large, $5.80, and then your small is $3.98. And then we found a leather ornament for $2.98. I've never seen these. This is a new collection here. And these tree skirts are $36 by holiday time. This is new in Walmart. Kind of like a woodsy, maybe cabin vibe. But you know what? I do love the wooden trees. Those are so different. These are like little rust on it.
Yeah, I like those. That one's made of.
Yeah.
Metal in there.
And the house is $20. That's a nice tree right there too. Because normally, like in TJ Maxx and Marshalls, you'll find the light Christmas tree, like a light wood color. I like the dark stain. I kind of like that. $14.98 for this one. $8.98 for the bow. This one has little pine cones on it. And a ribbon. You get 2 packs for $8.98. Those are cute, right? My decorating a box skill is not there. I would like it to be there. These over here are $5.98. Here's a little deer.
One day try and figure out how to wrap a box like that. I have no idea.
Then we have your stockings. Those are 10. Home for the holidays, $14.98. So I do feel like they're having a little bit of everything for everybody, because normally they don't have like this cabin vibe here. In Walmart, this is new. The stocking, just like original stocking right there, sock. And here's more trees, $12.98. Merry Christmas. I like this one, $6.98. It says Happy Holidays. I know it's like really simple, but I like that about it. These are $4.88. Pick up the red one. It says peace on it. Oh, look at that little fox friend. Metal ornaments, let it snow. Oh, Christmas tree and Merry Christmas. These are 10. More ornament. $20 for the pine cone wreath. It's cute. You want some with glitter on it. I believe they're $4.98. No glitter. Another tree. That tree is $30. Really? I'm gonna have to get down there to look. Let me double check. It's 20. $20 for this tree. I'm really loving this sign too. $16.98. And these trays are $19.98. It is food safe, because you know how normally they're not food safe.
Yeah, they're just for like pine cones. Or
Yeah. And have yourself a merry little Christmas, little farmhouse, little tin one, the barn, for $15. And it looks like these are about like 9 and 10 for the large. And we're still filling in here. Oh, look at this guy. He's $4.88. Got a snowman and Santa Claus. And that's $14.88. Here's a little moose man. You know it's gonna light up. Little shadow box. These are $4.88 here. Oh, the birdies are back. Oh gosh, she's like a gnome bird. He has no eyes. Ho ho ho. These are $5.78. And that one says Merry Christmas. Kind of reminds me of the Grinch style. So if you are going the Grinch style, they do have that. And $6.88 for Joy. Here's more gnomes. Actually, the rest might be gnomes. Oh yeah. These are actually quite heavy. Well, there's sand at the bottom, so they don't fall over. Then your large are $7. It says Merry Christmas on them. These have feet. Oh gosh. And look at that, it's gonna fold out. Little folding trio for $9.88. Oh, they're gnomes. Gnome for Christmas. Santa gnome. Let me get to this red one. These are $4.98. And let it snow. Little gnome garland. Oh yeah, that's kind of funny. They have their own gnome section. Gnomes are in. Ooh, look at this. Just found this randomly. It's kind of nice. Oh. Oh gosh. Gotta be careful. These are $17. Joy. So they're gonna bring out like that black and white decor. Kind of like in fall. You know how fall had the little homes that were like green and white? These are $10. And then Let It Snow, little tag, those are $2.98. And Joy. And you guys, they even have the Climbing Santa by Mr. Christmas. Let me walk around. Those are so funny. And then Ho 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 with the little wreath, $1.98. Again with their stocking. Look at, he has like a little cup of cuckoo. These are $1.98. I feel like it would look better if it had like an actual decor piece, right?
He needs a nose.
Oh yeah, he does need a little nose. Let's
Maybe a little
see.
whiskers.
And the glitter clip ornaments are $1.48. And then more Believe. Oh gosh. These are $1.98. These always remind me of a sea urchin. I have no idea why. And of course, 98 cents. You can't go wrong with that. These are $2.98. Oh, there we go. Oh, like a little twisted one. Oh, those are different. Let's see. Is that the cardinal? Those are $1.98. These are so nice. I do love the woodsy look. $1.98. Your frosted berries are $1.48. And $7.98. These are 4. You get 4 in here. They're actually cool. They're little metal bells. $4. Let's see. You get 4, 4, 7. They're marbled, and I don't believe they're shatterproof. It doesn't say on it. See the vintage light, $8.98, and the snowflake full of glitter. And these are gonna light up as well. So in this location, I'm not finding like the Grinch stuff. See how each store is different? There's no Grinch stuff or Disney. $11.98. Oh, look at the snowman. He's new for $8.98. How funny. They do have the Nutcrackers here. Little tinsel decor for $8. And look, you guys, they have the cactus. $7.98, which is really funny because there's a cactus in my area where they always decorate it for like each season. Christmas, they put a hat on it. Valentine's Day, 4th of July. North Pole, $7.98.
Easter, it's got little ears on it.
Yeah. Look at this Santa. Looks like tons of tinsel. So the price range is different depending on how much you need. Some are $5.88. Well, it starts at $7.88 and the lowest is 98 cents. Oh, look at the wooden ones. These are new. They kind of remind me of children's toys that are wooden. I don't know why. Oh gosh, they brought out the ugly ties. $3.98, like for work. Normally they light up. I don't think these light up. My first Christmas, so stinking cute. You get a Santa hat and a stocking, $6.98. And look, you guys, dynamite. Oh gosh.
Like good times.
Just gonna like vibrate. And your headbands. Oh, look at this one. We got green and red. Reminds me, again, this reminds me of Whoville. Like, you know, the Grinch movie. Let's see. Oh, here's this one. It's funny. Those are $5.98. And then a few stocking holders. This is all they have. And a few more stockings. Candy cane wishes, mistletoe kisses. $7.88. You have your shark, a unicorn, and these are $7. And they got that bright purple. Well, here's a tree skirt. That's kind of nice for $20. Really cool for $12.98. Letters to Santa. And what I love about it, it actually is a flap. You know how normally they're not, you know, they're just for decor purposes.
And it has a door.
I love it.
And a little latch.
And you know what? There might be a red one. Yep, let me pull this out. There you go. I love it. Kind of cool. $7.88. The LED projector for $7.98. And the diamond sparkle. These are only $7.88. We want really colorful icicles, $25. And look, they're pretty large.
Those remind me of those suckers.
Yeah.
Multicolored ones.
What's this one? The snowflakes. Kaleidoscope. These are $14.88. Oh, I can't change it. That one says happiness, peace, and then more snowflake. So this one is new here. Look at the Jack, you guys. 25. And then we have the Grinch. A large Mickey blow mold will be $40. Oh my gosh. And look at Minnie back there. And I know we've seen these before in the other location. This one has a few inflatables. Look at Clark. $49. And they do have the elf here. Oh, you want Clark in your chair, you guys? I wish it was like not so cut out though.
Yeah, I wish it was actually like a foam.
And then the Grinch waving in the back. How funny. Alright, you guys. That is going to do it for this video in this Walmart location. That is everything so far. Of course, I will be back in this location, different locations. Everybody store is different. Please stay safe and I will see all of you in the next one.